I love dessert. Most days, I'm okay with a piece or two of chocolate for dessert, but on special days and holidays, I want a special dessert just like everybody else. In the springtime, one of my favorite desserts is Strawberry Pretzel Dessert. And I missed it so much, I decided to make it gluten-free. If you like this recipe, remember to subscribe to get all of our delicious ways to make your gluten-free journey tastier. Combine strawberry jello in 2 cups of boiling water and stir until completely dissolved. Set aside to cool to room temperature. On this day, we added pecans to the crust. I liked the final product, but my family did not, so we won't be doing that again. You can crush the pretzels in a food processor or use a Ziploc freezer bag and a rolling pin, but be careful not to process them into dust. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter, and typically you add a 1/4 cup of sugar right here. I forgot to do that, so we added the sugar after the pretzels and pecans, and it turned out okay, so there you go. Transfer the pretzel mixture into a 13x9 glass casserole dish, pressing the pretzel mix evenly over the bottom of the dish. I like to use biodegradable kitchen gloves for messy tasks like this, and the link for those is in the description. Then you bake for 10 minutes at 350. While that's cooling, mix 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of sugar on medium-high speed until fluffy and white. I used our stand mixer, but you can use a hand mixer too. And then you fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip until there are no streaks of cream cheese left. We have an ongoing Cool Whip debate in our house because I only use Cool Whip for the occasional dessert recipe, but my family would 100% choose it for all of our whipped cream needs. Those heathens. Anyway, check your pretzel base. If it's dry and crunchy, you're good to go. Spread the cream cheese mixture over the cooled pretzel base, spreading it to the edges of the dish to create a tight seal. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. In the meantime, hull and slice a pound of strawberries and stir into your room temperature jello. I use this handy dandy slicer and it only took minutes, although it will destroy a strawberry that's even slightly mushy. I only used 1/2 pound of strawberries in this particular recipe because that's all I had, and it worked fine. Pour and spread the strawberry jello mixture evenly over your cooled cream cheese layer, and refrigerate again until set for 2 to 4 hours. It's also fine to do it overnight. I'm telling you, this recipe is so good. I gave it a thumbs up 3 times, or maybe I just messed up the first 2 times. Then I had to give half of it away because I couldn't stop eating it. My neighbor, on the other hand, was thrilled.